Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sissy, and in this video I'll be guiding us on the process of applying on Oxinity portal. Hello Hi bestie. So if you're new to this channel or you're just coming across my video for the first time, do well to give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Also, please drop your comments to enable this video get to larger audience. Okay, also to motivate us, to push us to make more videos like this for you ESL teachers. Okay, so I'll be guiding us on how to successfully apply to Oxinity. So please, let's get into it.
So, this is for those applying to work with Oxinity. It's actually a good school. So you have to do adverts, you have to post you have a code. You're going to post that code on your social media platforms like adverts. And the last time I checked, they pay Africans €8. And depending on your experience, they might pay you more. So yes, and most of the students are Spanish. So once you go to your web, you click on this, you click on the link, I made a video on ESL schools applying. You see I made a video on GLAD, Oxinity, and Lingo Ace. So you'll see this link, copy it for Oxinity, come to your web, paste it, click on enter, click enter. So this is then translate to English. Click on translate to English. So this is your website. This is Oxinity website. So we just wait for it to load. Once it loads, it takes you to this. It brings out a Dropbox. It brings out this Dropbox. So on this Dropbox, you input your name, your surname. This place you're seeing Cindy. I just have to choose a random name. You choose Cindy. The second line is surname, and this last one, that's your phone number, your email, your gym email. Then I accept. Click on accept. Next. Click on next. Oh, I'm TEFL certified. TEFL certified. Yes. Yes, I am TEFL certified because I didn't click on that. So to ask if you're TEFL certified, yes, I'm TEFL certified. Then next. So just wait for it to load. Sorry, it's taking a lot of time. Please hold on. Please book an interview. To ask you to book an interview, so you choose a slot. So you go to this place, click on this. You have a Dropbox. You say I pick a date. Just pick a date. I'm not applying. I'm not applying. But since May, click on next. So book an interview. You have to put your date of birth. So let me choose the date of birth. Just gonna Sorry, I think you can 34. Oh, this is okay. You can click on this arrow here to go to previous month, or you can just click on here to put okay 1998, 8 of 7, 1998. Put your nationality. Just choose a random nationality. Let me just put Ghana. What language do you speak? Oh, let me put Nigeria. What language? Okay, what languages do you speak? English. So just put the languages you speak. You speak Mandarin, Spanish, put everything there. Educational degree. Yes. Put your bachelor's degree. Okay, so after inputting your date of birth, your nationality, the languages you speak, then it will ask for your degree. So BSc, Public Administration, Public Administration. About teaching, what do you like the most about teaching? So what do you love about teaching? So you just write what you love about teaching, you know, about teaching. And your teaching experience here, the second part here. Then after that, date of birth, nationality, languages you speak, education, people, about teaching, and this is what I wrote. Then yeah, teaching experience. There's just you have to make it detailed. I'm just giving this as an example because I don't need to prolong this video. So then you send. Process complete. Many thanks for registering at Oxinity.com. We have sent you an email with an attached file with some prior information about our project. We look forward to meeting you. So let's go to the email. So this is the video. So this is the email. So this is the email. This is the email you get. So you go down. Dear Cindy, many thanks for registering at Oxinity, the largest. So this email, there's a PDF down. Just click on the PDF and this is it. This is the PDF. They're just trying to tell you, give you more information about the company. Yeah, about the company. So this is it. You can pause and read them slowly. You can pause and read. Okay, you can pause the video and read. Then you have to confirm the interview. I confirm my appointment. You can just confirm. You need to confirm the interview. If not, if you just relax, you get to that day and see that no one is there waiting for you. So you have to confirm the interview. Okay, so I think that's that for Oxinity application. Please look out for the interview or Oxinity interview. I'm going to be making a video on Oxinity interview. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do well to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and comment please for more videos like this because your comments, your interactions help push our videos out and also helps us to make more videos. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in our next video. If you have any question, please don't forget to ask in the comment section. I'm always here to answer your questions. Bye.
Okay, so these are the steps to apply to Oxinity. And once you're done applying, you get an email, you pick your dates, you pick a date for your interview, and you wait for the date. So this is the end of this video. I'll be making a video on what to expect on the interview. I'll be guiding us on things, the questions you should expect on the interview, how to answer those questions, things you need to expect, things you need to get ready during the interview. Okay, it's not one big deal. Okay, it's not difficult. So please watch out for the next video. We're making a video on Oxinity interview, how to successfully pass Oxinity interview. Also, for this application, on the check the description link, the description below. I dropped a link on how on the link to apply, to Oxinity. It's there. Just look at the link there, click on it, or you can copy and paste on your browser to apply easily. Okay, and please don't forget to watch out for the video on how to successfully pass Oxinity interview. Okay, also, if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Okay, I hope to see you in our next video. Until then, bye.